My name Nangufo.
Go for on. See your hand. That's ya. What's happen for the hand?
Na been a stroke.
You come up for us high?
I come on for barefoot. If I push na LF na firewood then if na kako we no fit check on one hand then the man wey don come in then me and if he me and you fit check I fit support you with one hand then we put am inside truck that push am go.
You go school?
Yeah, we don comot school. I don comot school. I no dey go school now again.
You go school reach for which level?
I go school. I reach for class. I comot school at class 6.
And then no continue you again.
No.
Why? You the push truck with ye. You know how you see it push truck one hand. Wait to get for talk about it.
No, I'll get for talk about it because God be don't bless you. All the power for the hand, you don't go for that hand. Because thing where they push am for that one hand, me step with two hands I cannot do it. I can't. I reject the truck so at the year the wet for one hand, and the wet for me I can't do it.
So I want find something where I would work for the LM myself.
So you be one work with you or you be decide to choose a truck also other work be the way they be also worker.
No, if I be get different work again for the work or thing will say I would say.
2017 since we start work you dey do it to the money.
I dey work the safe. I dey work the safe for year end. So I dey always save. Then when year don end, I fit draw and give am for me. Then remedy add the capital with am. Then
Remedy work with you.
remedy say na mimbo.
White member.
No, he say sure.
So you get phone.
Na say my screen for my phone don blind. I don get with technician me change am.
All right. If some person want help you want to do that kind of business.
If I fit see business wey fit dey turn, I fit work that one.
Like which kind of business?
Any business wey fit dey turn quick. Business wey I fit make I fit sell na clothes. I fit go buy clothes then can sell or shoe them. Na the business wey I want.
And so I want to ask this madam because this madam it is sell firewood for year, and this guy when they come buy firewood for year, it come pack and carry. Madam, how you see this guy from Barefoot where he do all this work?
He get one hand, but he not give up. He carry load them where even you where you get two hand, you know if you carry am. Now the simple truth is we did it. He carry am where. He load when they buy firewood, now he carry am for you. Now he transfer the fire.
No, they pack am for you, chop.
Now LA the pack am, except now the one where they don't tie and where you know if you carry am. Like the one the way they don't broke and so he take am one by one, put am inside a truck. Yes.
You don't know it for how long?
I don't know if for more than 3 years today. Yes.
Okay. You used to advise you.
Yes, we used to advise him. We advise him and say when he work that money, so me take care with him. Yes, me no use am anyhow.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you. I'm a guy. I even give you 5,000. You add them for money that work on today. All right. All right. I'll come and look for you.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, I just met Umfon this morning. Again, at one hand, stand up. Again, at one hand, but it is struggle for actually, push truck for take care of himself and take care of his mother. And if Asha, you dey una many for family.
There we 7.
Who's you be number waiting?
Been a first born for Marine.
He say be first born for a mommy. So if you imagine the weight, the load way they behind you, the other one that they go school.
And the other one that they go for school, the other one that they make business.
Okay. Small one then.
Yeah, the small one that they go school.
And then so we want to help him. We're going to raise something for him through our mobile telephone number on Tebek TV Bamenda, and we can hand them for ye by this time, on Friday afternoon or Saturday. I know we can get a thank you message from him.